How to chat with friends on Roblox Mobile. If you are trying to message your friends on Roblox Mobile, the first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Roblox Mobile app, and you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you land on the homepage, right up top, you'll find your friend list and you'll be able to see all of your friends. And after that, you can scroll down, and in order to message them, if you tap on their profile like this, here you have an option that says chat. You could just tap on it to chat with them. Or what you could do is, in order to chat with everyone, you first will be on your home screen. Now you're going to have to navigate your way where it says party at the bottom. There are charts, avatar, and right besides that, you have party. Tap on it. And here you will see all of your friends and chats with them. If you want to create a new chat, tap on the top right corner at the plus icon. Now select a friend to create a party, and now tap on create. And after doing this, you can just go ahead and type in your message, and you should be good to go. So that's how you chat with your friends on Roblox Mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.